Oh, I think that's Ron Strachan.
Oh, what a catch that is.
Locked in the lights. Looked like a surprise that it's stuck in his hand.
Spending time out there, they're scoring runs. That is a catch and a half. That is some catch. That was traveling and his dive got everything right. The timing, everything on it. It's probably one of the best catches in the match.
Good feet there from Leeson, but she's got right underneath this one.
Up in the air, chance. Oh, well, hang on a second. Oh, hang on a second. Well, this could be one of the best catches you'll ever see. I can't believe this. There's no way. Surely not. He's done it! Oh my goodness, he's done it! Oh my goodness, there's no way. Surely.
I've never seen a catch like that.
Surely that's going to be given it in.
Hit it well. Oh! Incredible!
Is that one of the hits? It's in the gap. No! Goal! Superhero Chris Jordan. That is one of the best catches you'll ever see.
Oh! Amazing! That is unbelievable. And he can't believe it.
Knees are going back. He's such an athletic fielder. He does the leg work and holds on. Never doubt Michael Neser. That's it! Yeah!
Oh, what a catch that is! That's short. It's spooned up. He had to get round.
Most expensive of the innings so far. Oh, that is an incredible cotton bowl.
What?
Molly Strano, are you kidding me?
And go with the ball with the one hand. Oh dear, she's caught that from behind her. That is a great grab. You are not going to see anything better than that.
Oh, go on, Larry! Oh, yes, you get me! Thought it was going to hit the deck. We've got to jug along.
In the air. Oh, out! Edged. Oh, magnificent catch! Wow! Thornton takes the wicket, but what about the leap?
One for none of three. Thornton.
Edged. Another. The man cannot be stopped. Edged. Make it 4. Hales goes second ball. He's gone. He's bowled.
More has he got for us?
Oh, that's
Got him again.
He's got an edge. Edged. 7 for 10. 7 for 10. It's too good. Beautiful legs.
Got him again.
8 for 10. It's not a dream. Edged. 9 for 14. Edged. Yes. Yes. All out 15. All out 15. It is a historic moment that will go around the world.
That's up, and is that flown over the top? Oh, what a catch! Nathan Smith!